Main advantages of laser cutting machine over machining. Fast cutting speed, good cutting quality, high precision, narrow cutting seam, smooth cutting surface, no damage to workpiece, no influence of workpiece shape, no influence of hardness of the material to be cut, effective cost saving, simple operation, safety, stable performance, improve the development speed of new products, and have wide adaptability and flexibility. It is no exaggeration to say that laser cutting has obvious advantages over traditional machining, which is also the key to the wide application of laser cutting machines and the vigorous development of the market in recent years. Main application fields: kitchenware industry, automobile manufacturing industry, fitness equipment industry, advertising metalwork industry, sheet metal processing industry, chassis and cabinet industry, agricultural machinery industry, shipbuilding industry, etc.